In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check idle time in Hubstaff. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that you can track and manage idle time effectively within your Hubstaff account. So, let's begin. First, grab your preferred web browser and open it up. In the search bar, type Hubstaff and hit Enter. This will lead you to Hubstaff's main website, where you'll be able to log into your account. Once you're at the Hubstaff page, look for the Sign In option. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Hubstaff dashboard. If you encounter any issues signing in, ensure that your email and password are correctly entered, or consider using any saved login information if your browser supports it. Now that you're signed in and at your Hubstaff dashboard, direct your attention to the main menu located on the side or top of the page. Here, you will want to locate and click on the Reports section. Once inside the Reports section, you'll see an option for All Reports. Click on All Reports to proceed, and you'll be presented with a list of various report types available on Hubstaff. You'll need to select the Time and Activity report from this list. This report includes a comprehensive overview of all tracked activities, including idle time. The next thing you need to do is set the desired date range for which you'd like to check the idle time. At the top of the report page, there's usually a calendar icon or similar control that allows you to specify the start and end date for the data you want to review. Take your time to set this correctly to ensure the report captures all relevant data within your specified period. With your report now displaying the right date range, look towards the top right corner of the report, where you'll find a gear icon. This acts as the settings option. Click on it and a menu will drop down. There, you'll have the choice to add idle time information. Choose either idle % or idle HR to display idle time as a percentage or in hours. This feature lets you customize the visibility of idle time as per your preference, depending on whether you want to see it at a glance or in more detail. Lastly, if needed, you can filter your results to focus solely on idle activity. Navigate to the time type filter by selecting Activity, then Screenshots or Timesheets, followed by View and Edit. Click on the Filters button to reveal more options. From the Time Type drop-down menu, select Idle to narrow your view down to periods where inactivity was detected. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of how to check idle time in Hubstaff. By following these steps, you'll gain valuable insights into idle periods, which can help with team management and productivity assessments. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.